Educated School Principal of Casilan Elementary School, Ma'am Myra R. Sabirola, ma'am, as well as the PTA officers and members, true and hardworking teachers, candidates for moving up and graduation, recognition to all parents, guardians, visitors, friends, ladies and gentlemen. A pleasant, warm, and joyous morning. Remember in every moment that hard work is a choice, attitude is a choice, discipline is a choice, doing extra is a choice, excellence is a choice, and there is no shortcut. For success, you must work for it. And as Nelson Mandela quoted, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. To formally open our ceremony, may I call Lina Athena Venus I Orden, the kindergarten pupil, for her welcome address. Let us give her a round of applause, please.
Sa aming minamahal na public schools district supervisor, Madam Ruby A. Polit-Nasay, ma'am, sa aming masipag, aktibo at magandang principal, Madam Myra R. Saverola, ma'am, aktibong barangay captain Sir Rancho R. Orden, Sir at mga opisyal ng barangay. Sir Ma'am, PTA President Marilyn T. Collado, Ma'am, masisipag na guro, Ma'am, sa aming mga magulang na walang sawang nakasuporta at nag-aruga, mga bisita, mga panauhin at mga kapwa ko mag-aaral. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ikinagagalak at isang karangalan ko pong tangkapin na pagkakataong magbigay ng pambungad na pagpati sa inyong lahat. Ang araw na ito ay isang mahalagang yugto saan paglalakbay bilang mga bata mag-aaral. Ang okasyong ito hindi lamang nagsasaad nag-awit pagtatapos sa kindergarten, kundi isang buod ng isang taon na masikasi na pagkatuto, paglago at pag-unlad. Sa ating makapangyarihang Diyos, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa pagtulong upang makamit namin ang tagumpay na ito. Sa aming mga guro, lubos po ang aming pasasalamat sa inyong dedikasyon, pasensya at walang katapusang pagmamahal sa pagtuturo at sa pag-alaga sa aming mga kabataan. Sa aming mga magulang, ang inyong suporta at pagpapalakas ng loob ay nakapahalaga at walang katumbas. Kami rin po ay natutuwa at nagpapasalamat dahil narito kayo upang maging saksi sa aming tagumpay. Kaya't mula sa kaibuturang naming mga puso, kami po ay nagpapasalamat ng marami. Muli po sa ngayon ng Kindergarten Batch 2026, malagat natin tanggap namin kayo sa aming moving up ceremony at magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you. Lina Athena Venus I Orden, kindergarten by the school to the school's division superintendent. To present to you the candidates for graduation and completers, may we call on Ma'am Ana May S. Maron, the kindergarten advisor, and Ma'am Adela S. Tobias, the grade 6 advisor, to do the honors of confirmation. May we request the representative of our school division superintendent, Ma'am Ruby A. Balignasay, the Public Schools District Supervisor of Uminga 2. May we request your confirmation and presentation and confirmation, ma'am. Okay, in behalf of the advisor, may we request your confirmation, presentation, Ma'am Myra Arsabirola, the school principal of Casilan Elementary School. Hello.
Ma'am, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for completion and graduation of Casilan Elementary School for school year 2025-2026, of whom the kinder are composed of 5 boys and 5 girls, with a total of 10 learners, and whom the grade 6 are composed of 6 girls, 6 boys, and 5 girls, with a total of 11 learners, who satisfactorily completed all the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under Matatag and Basic Education Curriculum by the Department of Education. May I request for your acceptance and confirmation, ma'am.
By the authority of the Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Vivian Luis S. Pagagpatan, Schools Division Superintendent, SDO Pangasinan 2, and upon the strong recommendation of your Principal 1, Dr. Myra Sagarola, that you have successfully completed all the requirements prescribed by the K-12 Matatag curriculum to the completers and the graduates. I, Ruby A. Balignasay, Public Schools District Supervisor of Umingan District 2, do hereby accept and confirm you as completers and graduates of Casilan Elementary School with all the rights and privileges thereto appertaining. Congratulations to each and everyone. Completers and graduates. Mabuhay po kayo lahat. Pwede na kayo mag-enroll sa lahat ng mga eskwelahan, lalo mga grade 6, grade 7, pero most especially siguro, yung pinakamalapit sa Prado National High School, sa Lapas. Ano? And then sa completers, dito na lang muna for grade 1 para dadami ang estudyante natin. Okay, thank you so much.
Let us now move on to the distribution of certificates to the graduates and completers. May I call on Ma'am Myra Sabirola, School Principal of Casilan Elementary School, and Ma'am Ana May S. Maron, Kindergarten Advisor, together with their respected parents, to distribute the certificates. May we also call Ma'am Ruby A. Balignasay to distribute the certificates. And Sir Ernesto Tobias Jr. Here are now the candidates of completers school year 2025-2026. Address, Kasilan, Umingan, Pangasinan. Parent, Mr. and Mrs. Marvin O. Abellera. Ambition, to become a soldier someday. Colyado, Ivan Carpo. Address, Kasilan, Umingan, Pangasinan. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Brian I. Colyado. De La Rosa, Marley Abuan. Address, Kasilan, Umingan, Pangasinan. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Jaime Boy A. De La Rosa. Ambition, to become a soldier someday. Lizardo, Jenry, Venezuela. Address, Kasilan, Umingan, Pangasinan. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Jerry Lizardo. Ambition, to become a policeman someday. Tamayo, Aiden Rivera. Address, Kasilan, Umingan, Pangasinan. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Arnel Tamayo. Ambition, to become a doctor someday. Galano, Queen Abby Orden. Address, Kasilan, Umingan, Pangasinan. Parents, Mr. Abraham Galano and Miss Noemi N. Orden. Ambition, to become a teacher someday. Orden, Visia Estrada. Address, Kasilan, Umingan, Pangasinan. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Martin Orden. Ambition, to become a police woman someday. Orden, Nira Athena Venus Inocencio. Address, Kasilan, Umingan, Pangasinan. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Ariel T. Orden. Ambition, to become a police woman someday. Rosalia Danica Manantan. Address, Kasilan, Umingan, Pangasinan. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Amado O. Rosalia Jr. Ambition, to become a doctor someday. Presidio, Erling Joy Pineda. Address, Kasilan, Umingan, Pangasinan. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Marlon Presidio. Ambition, to become a teacher someday. Ambition, to become a policeman someday. Pastor Fernando Bueno. Address, Casilan, Umingan, Pangasinan. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Bernardo Distor. Ambition, to become a policeman someday. Orden, Mark Javen Javier. Address, Casilan, Umingan, Pangasinan. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Mark Anthony C. Orden. Ambition, to become an engineer someday. Kindly reminders po sa mga nagtiting ng pictures, maaari lang na siguro sa pagbaba doon sa hagdan, doon sa gilid na lang, huwag larangan po sa gitna. Maraming salamat po. Para po maging maayos ang flow ng ating program. Osalia, King Dario Manantan. Address, Casilan, Umingan, Pangasinan. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Amado O. Osalia Jr. Ambition, to become a marine engineer someday. Rivera, Erickson Ramos. Address, Casilan, Umingan, Pangasinan. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Eric M. Rivera. Ambition, to become a pilot someday. Tobias Gian Maron. Address, Casilan, Umingan, Pangasinan. Parent, Mr. and Mrs. Freddy M. Tobias. Ambition, to become a chef someday. Cabanilla, Jillian de la Pisa. Address, Casilan, Umingan, Pangasinan. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Edwin M. Cabanilla. Ambition, to become a nurse someday. De La Rosa, Aiko Abuan. Address, Casilan, Umingan, Pangasinan. Parents, Mr. and Mrs. Jaime Boy A. De La Rosa. Ambition, to become a chef someday. Galano, Cinderella Orden. Address, Casilan, Umingan, Pangasinan. Parents, Mr. Abraham Bolano and Miss Noemi Orden. Ambition, to become a teacher someday. Lizardo, Juby Venezuela. Address, Casilan, Umingan, Pangasinan. Proud parents, Mr. and Mrs. Jerry B. Lizardo. Ambition, to become a teacher someday. teacher someday. Please be all seated. May I now request Cinderella Orgalano, grade 6 pupil, for the Pledge of Loyalty. Please give